right? Let's talk about it. You're hearing about it everywhere, right? It's this technology that's literally changing the world at a breakneck pace. AI can write complex software code just in seconds. It can create these stunning, photorealistic images from just a couple of words. And it can hold conversations that are so natural, so real, you would absolutely swear you're talking to another human. So, the big question is, how? How is any of this even possible? Well, the answer is this isn't your normal everyday AI. This is something totally new. This is generative AI. And I promise you, once you get this one core idea, you will never look at tech the same way again. So let's break it down. We're going to cut right through all the hype and really understand generative AI in the simplest way possible. No jargon, I promise. Okay, so at its very core, the secret is right there in the name, generate. You see, generative AI isn't like other AI that just analyzes or sorts data that's already out there. No, its whole deal, its defining feature, is that it creates brand new, totally original stuff. We're talking text, images, music, code, literally, you name it, it can probably create it. Okay, now listen up, because if you only remember one thing from this whole explainer, make it this. It's so important. Generative AI is all about creation, not just prediction. That's it. That's the huge shift, the massive leap forward that's causing all this chaos and excitement. So you're probably wondering, how on earth does a machine learn to create anything? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but the basic idea? It's actually pretty simple. It learns from us. It's basically a two-step dance. First, the AI just soaks up information. It's trained on these absolutely massive data sets. I mean, think about huge chunks of the internet, millions of books, countless images, all of it. And as it's processing all that, it starts to learn the deep patterns, the hidden structures, the relationships between things. And then comes step two. It uses that powerful understanding to generate something completely new that still follows all those rules and patterns it learned. And you've absolutely seen this stuff in the wild, right? ChatGPT, that's the poster child for text generation. DALL and Midjourney, they're doing the exact same thing, but for images, creating insane art from just a few words. And if you're a developer, you know GitHub Copilot is a perfect example of AI just writing code for you. The key thing here is that this isn't some futuristic lab experiment. These are real, powerful tools that millions of people are using right now. All right, to really make this concept click, let's put generative AI right next to the kind of AI we've been used to for years. Because this comparison, this is where you'll have that aha moment. So think about it this way. On one hand, you've got your traditional AI. Its job is basically to predict and classify things. A perfect example is your spam filter, right? It looks at an email and predicts, is this spam or not? Simple. But then, on the other hand, you have generative AI. Its job is creation. So instead of just flagging an email as spam, it can write a whole new email for you from scratch, just based on what you tell it to do. See the difference? One predicts, the other creates. And here's probably the best analogy I've ever heard for this. Traditional AI, it's like a student who's amazing at multiple choice quizzes. It can pick the right answer from a list of options. But generative AI, that's like the student who gets a blank piece of paper and can write a brilliant, creative, completely original essay on almost any topic. It's just a completely different league of intelligence. Okay, so why is this difference so important? Why does it matter so much? Well, because an AI that can create is an AI that can literally change everything. It can reshape entire industries from the ground up. And we're not talking about the future. We're seeing these huge transformations happen right now. The whole world of content creation is being turned upside down. The way we build software is fundamentally changing. Customer support is getting smarter, more responsive. Even fields like design and pure creativity are being supercharged by these new tools. The impact is huge. And man, it is happening fast. So what's the secret sauce? What makes it so powerful? I think it boils down to three main things. First, it just slashes the amount of manual work you need for creative stuff. Second, it lets us scale up creativity in ways we couldn't even dream of before. And finally, and this part is really cool, it works across so many different areas. We're talking art, science, business, you name it. And hey, here's something super practical for you. If you're ever in a job interview, or maybe a meeting, and someone asks you to explain this, here's your perfect go-to answer. It's clean, it's professional, and it proves you totally get the core idea. So we've covered the what and the why of generative AI, but that still leaves one huge question: the how. I mean, when you actually type a prompt into something like ChatGPT, what is really going on inside its digital brain to spit out that answer? What really makes it tick? Well, we're going to break that down, no BS, no fluff, in our very next explainer.